Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to Chemistry Online class. Chemistry is a perfect science. My name is Ramesh Arji, your chemistry teacher. So, previous class we learned about the importance of chemistry in various fields. Example: so chemistry used in agriculture, chemistry used in the industries, chemical used in the products like food, clothing, households, daily use, industries and petroleum, right? This is about the yesterday's class. Today's class, let's talk about the food and chemistry. So where the chemicals are used in a food. So in that we are divided into food preservatives and food processing, right? So what is the meaning of food preservatives? So in general use, two preservatives are the chemicals added to the food or beverages to prevent the decomposition by any bacteria or microbes. So any bacteria could not affect to the food. So we are using these food preservatives, right? So in that, some of the types of the food preservatives are there. So one is the benzoic acid. Preservative benzoic acid used for jams, pickles, carbonated drinks. So in jams, pickles, carbonated drinks. So which chemical are used for this? Benzoic acid, right? Second one is the nitrate. So where we use this nitrate chemical for meat products. So to prevent the meat products, we are using these nitrates. Next is the sulfur compounds. So where we are using these sulfur compounds in a beverages or wines, we are using sulfur compounds. Is it clear? Look at the first figure, preservative for jam. So in that we are using benzoic acid. Second, preservative for pickles. We are using which one? Benzoic acid only, right? Now clear the term food preservatives, right? So next is about food processing. So what is the meaning of this food processing? Food processing is a physical or chemical process to transfer the raw material into food into easy usable form of food available in market. So whatever the food available in the market like boxes, tiffin boxes, lunch boxes and also for prevent the food. So that boxes are we called as a food preservatives. So look at the bracket they are provide. Simple definition, the raw material in food into marketable food products is called as food processing. Is it clear? So the process is first mining, cooking, picking, preservative, addition, canning and packaging. So this is the food into a marketable, whatever the food are available in the markets or shops, we are calling as a food preserving. Is it clear? Next is about medicine. So where we are using this chemical in a industry, medical industry. Chemistry has helped us in a discovering and new drugs to fight against the diseases. Like for example, we'll take a penicillin. So penicillin is a medicine to kill the or to stop the diseases. And also for ampicillin, we are using chemical and also pterin. Correct. So these are the medicine industry for the importance of chemicals. Next is about consumer products. So like we are using clothes, right? Many types of clothes are we are wearing, right? In that rayon, terrain and cotton. So these are all are made up of the cotton. Cotton is a chemical. Is it clear? This is about this chemistry is helps in the conservation of forest wealth, which is very essential for the balance of the ecosystem. Furthermore, it is providing man with the cheap and durable substances. Is it clear? This is about the food clothing and chemistry. So next is about cosmetics. Cosmetics along with the chemistry. So what are the ingredients in the cosmetics? So what is the term cosmetics? Cosmetic is a enhance or alter the appearance or fragrance of the individual. We call it as a cosmetic. So what is the meaning of cosmetic? Cosmetic is a alter the appearance or fragrance of an individual. We call it as a cosmetics. For example, we'll take about a polish, nail polish, creams, lipsticks, cleaning lotion, soaps, detergents, etc. So these are the result of research done by the chemists, which has helped us to live in clean the environment. Right. So in example, we'll take a talc powder. Clear? What is a talc powder? It is a made up of with a talc. Talcum powder is made up of talc. It is a made up of hydrated magnesium silicate. This is the chemicals we are used in talcum powder. Means we are using powder, right? In that powder we are using the chemical name hydrated magnesium silicate. And also we can use a magnesium silicate and oxygen for the made of talcum powder. So it is a natural form of talc containing, it removes the removed from the consumer products. What is the use of this talcum powder or tar? To absorb moisture, cuts down on friction, keeps skin dry and prevent rashes. So this is the importance of talcum powder. Clear? So chemical ingredients are used in a water. Clear? Titanium dioxide is an example. Oxides of zinc and iron is an example. Emulsifier is an example. What is the meaning of emulsifier? So emulsifier is a oil dispersed in a water. So when we add a drop of oil into the water, we call it as a emulsifier. And also for preservatives. Already I told, to prevent the food into marketable fry, we call it as a fruit preservatives. Clear? So that's all about today's class. Next class, talk about the chemistry. So Nobel scientists are and their contributions. So the great scientists are contributed towards the chemistry. So their names and their contributions. Is it clear? Thank you all. Have a good day.